You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals 3 over 4. Let's solve it step by step. Isolate the m. Multiply both sides by x plus 3. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Simplify the arithmetic. Expand the parentheses. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all m terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 3x from both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Subtract 10 from both sides. Simplify the arithmetic. Isolate the m. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 3 over negative 4. Move the negative sign from the denominator to the numerator. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Cancel out the negatives. And so the final result is x equals 3 over 4.